Stop using these outdated side-loading apps like Scarlet or eSign. Instead, try using this newly launched side-loading app called Feather, and it also supports the latest iOS 18 devices. So watch this video till the end because I'm gonna show you how you can get Feather app on your iOS devices and use it for side loading. Firstly, make sure you force restart your device. It will clear and refresh all the network caches, so if your device is blacklisted from any cert, then it may get solved. Now go to my Telegram channel and download this certificate zip file which is in good status and save it in your Files app. After that, open your Files app and click on that file to extract it. Then go to this website and download this Feather IPA file. I have given all the required links in my pinned comment. After you download the IPA file of Feather, then go to this website and select the files required here. After you select all the required files, then enter the certificate password here and click on sign now. Then it will take some processing time and you will get the interface like this. There you will get this long link. Click on this and then click on install. After that, confirm installation by clicking on install in the pop-up. Then the Feather app will start installing in your device. After the Feather app got installed, you will be not able to open it because you have to trust its source. For that, go to settings app, then general, then VPN and device management. There you will get the name of the certificate that you used to install the Feather app. Click on that and then click on trust. After trusting the source, open the Feathers app, then click on continue and go to its settings. Scroll down, there you will get the add certificate option. Click on that and import your certificate files here and enter the certificate password. You will get this password in the certificate folder that you extracted. You can also use your personal certificates here if you have. Also, don't forget to turn on this online installation method if you are on iOS 18 or above. So after importing the certificates, now we will try to install any app from it. For that, go to library options, then click on import in the top right corner and select IPA file of the app that you want to install. After the IPA file is imported, click on that and then click on sign app. Then click on start signing. And yeah, if you want to change its icon, name, version or identifier, you can also do that. After signing the IPA file, you will get the signed app with remaining days of certificate in green color. Click on that and then click on install app. After that, click on open in the pop-up and then click on install. Now the app will start installing in your device as you can see here. So that's all for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you are facing any issues, then you can tell me in comment box or text me on Telegram. I will help you with that. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye and stay safe.